सजगता ले आए सांस के प्रति। Now place your right palm on the navel and your left palm on the chest. दाएं हाथ को नाभि पे और बाएं हाथ को छाती पे रख लें। And as you inhale, expand the tummy. सांस लेते हुए पेट को फुलाएं। Inhale a bit more, expand the chest. और थोड़ा सांस लें, अपने छाती को भी फुलाएंगे। And as you exhale, relax the chest. Relax the tummy. सांस छोड़ते हुए छाती को और पेट को विश्राम दें। Breathe in, सांस अंदर. Expand the tummy. And breathe in a bit more, expand the chest. और थोड़ा सांस लेते हुए छाती को भी फुलाएंगे। And as you exhale, relax the chest. Relax the tummy. Breathe in. Expand the tummy. Breathe in a bit more, expand the chest. And fill up your lungs. थोड़ा और सांस लें, अपने छाती को फुलाएं, अपने फेफड़ों को फुला लें, जितना हो सकता है उतना। And exhale, relax the chest. Relax the tummy. छाती को और पेट को विश्राम दें। Breathe in and expand the tummy, the chest. Keep expanding. फुलाते रहें पेट को और छाती को सांस लेते हुए। And relax, exhale, relax the chest and relax the tummy. One more time. Breathe in and expand the tummy. Breathe in more, expand the chest. And keep expanding till your collarbones. Collarbones तक फुलाते रहें अपने शरीर को. And exhale, relax the chest. छाती को विश्राम दें सांस छोड़ते हुए. और पेट को भी विश्राम दें. Relax your tummy. And relax your hands. दोनों हाथों को विश्राम दें. And become aware of the sensations within. आपके शरीर में जो भी संवेदनाएं हैं, उनके प्रति सजग हो जाएंगे. And slowly you may open your eyes with a smile. आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Now, because you are going to sit for quite some time today, let's start with some standing warm-up. You can take support of the chair. खड़े होकर थोड़ा warm-up करते हैं. Let's start with some on-spot jogging. Keep a nice smile on your face. मुस्कुराते रहेंगे सेशन में. Move your shoulders front and back. Shake your hands. हाथों को हिलाएं. And move your arms up and down. Twist a little bit. कमर को हिलाएंगे. And relax. Now if you want, you can take support of the chair, and those who don't want to take support, they can just place the palms on the knee, on your waist, and let's begin swinging the right leg. चाहिए तो support के लिए chair को पकड़ सकते हैं. दायां पैर आगे और पीछे. And relax. Now left leg. and relax. Now let's sit down on the chair and we'll start with some joint rotations. So keep a little distance between your feet, between your legs, so that you have some good support. शरीर को अच्छे से स्थिर रखेंगे, पैरों को दूर रखेंगे. Now let's start with some neck movements. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. In, out. सांस अंदर, ऊपर देखें, बाहर, नीचे. Now let's start with neck rotations from the right side. गर्दन को गोल घुमाएंगे दाईं तरफ से. Opposite direction. बाईं तरफ से. And relax after this round. Now let's make small circles with the shoulders. कंधों से गोल बनाएंगे. A little slower. Now the other way, दूसरी तरफ. So if your neck is also moving along with it, keep your neck still. गर्दन को स्थिर रखेंगे. And relax. Now inhale, take your shoulders up close to the ears. कंधों को कान के बगल में ले आए सांस लेते हुए. Now hold the breath. सांस को रोकेंगे. Pump your shoulders up and down. And exhale through the mouth, let go. मुंह से सांस हा करते हुए विश्राम करेंगे. सांस अंदर, breathe in, pump. One more time, breathe in, pump. Now this time you can inhale, exhale normally. इस बार साधारण सांस ले सकते हैं और हाथों को उठा लें. Take your arms up and look to the right, to the left. Balle balle. And relax. Now hold the chair and start moving your body right to left, left to right, like a happy pendulum. देखिए साइड में अच्छे से बैलेंस बना के बैठेंगे हम. And come back to the center. Now stretch your arms to the sides at shoulder level and start moving only the upper body. Slide your upper body to the right and left. ऊपर के शरीर को दाएं और बाएं लेके जाएंगे. And come back. Now lift your right leg up. Place your right foot on the left thigh. दाएं पैर को बाएं जंघा पे रख लें. And with inhalation, lift it up. Lift your right leg up. With exhalation, push it down. And exhale through the nostrils with a little bit of force. नाक से सांस छोड़ते हुए पैर को नीचे पुश करेंगे. And relax. अब बाएं पैर से up and down. So you can adjust yourself on the chair according to your comfort. चेयर पे जिस तरह से आप कंफर्टेबल हैं उस तरीके से आप बैठ सकते हैं. And relax. Now swing the right leg from the knee. दायां पैर आगे पीछे. See, when we were standing and we did the swinging, the movement was from the hip. Right now it's from the knee. And relax. Now left leg. And relax. Now both the legs. If you want, you can hold the chair for support. And relax. Now some ankle rotations with the right leg. Clockwise. दाईं तरफ से एड़ी को घुमाना शुरू करें. Opposite direction. बाईं तरफ से. Right and left. And up and down. Inhale, pull the foot towards you. Exhale, push it away. And relax. Left leg, clockwise, दाईं तरफ से. Opposite, बाईं तरफ से. Now right and left. ये हो सकता है थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो करने में. It's a little difficult to do. It's okay. Now up and down. ऊपर नीचे. And relax. Now just tap your feet on the mat. And shake your shoulders also if you want a little bit. And relax. Now let's start with the asana. We'll start with the Urdhva Tadasana. Like I said earlier, make yourself comfortable on the chair. This is what we are going to use today. So you can keep the feet away, you can move to the front of the chair, whatever is comfortable. Chair पे आराम से अपने comfort के हिसाब से बैठ जाएंगे. Now inhale, take the arms up, interlock the fingers, turn your palms up towards the ceiling and stretch up. Like you're going to get up from the chair but you're not getting up. हथेलियाँ आपकी सीलिंग की तरफ है. जैसे आप उठने वाले हैं अभी उतना लंबा स्ट्रेच करेंगे. One more breath in. Stretch up. थोड़ा और स्ट्रेच करें सांस लेते हुए. And exhale, bend to the right. कमर से दाईं तरफ आ जाएं सांस छोड़ते हुए. Breathe into the center. Breathe out, left, बाईं तरफ. And come back to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. हाथों को विश्राम दें. Now increase a little bit distance between your feet. And your feet are pointing to the side. आपके पैरों की उंगलियां बाहर की तरफ है. और खड़े हो जाएंगे. Let's stand up. Arms at shoulder level. Bent at the elbows. Fingers are pointing up. Now, as you inhale, you bend. Exhale, you come up. Okay? सो अभी सांस लेते हुए नीचे जाएंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए ऊपर आ जाएंगे. Breathe in, come down, breathe out, come up. In, out. In, out. Devi Asana. In, out. Are you the smiling goddess? In and out. Come up and relax your hands. Now keep the distance between your feet same or maybe a little bit more. पैरों में या तो 3 फीट का डिस्टेंस रखें या थोड़ा कम भी रख सकते हैं अपने हाइट के हिसाब से. ठीक है, तो अभी हम आसन की कुछ शुरुआत करेंगे. विल स्टार्ट विद दी asanas, but before that I just want to wish all of you a very happy Vishu, a very happy Baisakhi and a very happy Tamil New Year. आपको सबको बैसाखी की, विशु की और तमिल नव वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं. चलिए अभी आसन की शुरुआत करते हैं. We'll start with the asana. Place your right foot 90 degrees, your left foot slightly in. दायां पैर 90 डिग्रीज रख लें. बायां पैर अंदर की तरफ. वीरभद्रासन, the warrior pose. Now inhale, arms up. Exhale, push your body slightly down and your right thigh is on the chair. नीचे आते हुए क्या करेंगे, अपनी दाईं जंघा चेयर पे रख लेंगे और दाईं तरफ देखें. Look to the right. Now breathe in and as you breathe out, bend back. सांस छोड़ते हुए पीछे बेंड करें बाईं तरफ. And come back to the center, arms to the center and exhale, relax. Now on the left side, अब बाईं तरफ करेंगे. You can adjust the chair a little bit. You can move the chair. Chair को हम हिला सकते हैं. Now left foot 90 degrees. Your right foot is slightly in. Body is facing front. Inhale, arms up at shoulder level. And exhale, push your body slightly down. धीरे धीरे अपने शरीर को नीचे ले आएं. Your left thigh is on the chair and look to the left. Like a smiling warrior. Not like a stressed out warrior. चेहरे पे तनाव नहीं है, चेहरे पे मुस्कुराते हुए वॉरियर हैं. Now one more breath in and breathe out, bend back. दाईं तरफ कमर से झुकेंगे सांस छोड़ते हुए. And inhale to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. Now we'll do 2 more variations of Veerbhadrasana on the right side. दाईं तरफ के लिए तैयार हो जाएं. देखिए रोज करने से ही योग की आदत बनती है. When you do this daily, that is when it becomes a habit. And also I just like to take a minute to tell you that tomorrow we have a very special session for all of you on lymphatic drainage, on a full body detox, which is very good to keep your body healthy. So ensure that you come tomorrow. कल आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा सेशन है आपके पूरे शरीर को अच्छा स्वस्थ रखने का. तो कल के सेशन में आप जरूर आइए. Let's get ready. On the right side again, variation of Veerbhadrasana. Right foot 90 degrees. Your left foot is slightly in. Now inhale, arms up at shoulder level. Exhale, slowly balance yourself on the chair nicely. Now one more breath in and exhale, bend to the right. Place your right arm on the right thigh and stretch your left arm to the right side. कमर से दाईं तरफ झुकेंगे. दायां पैर दाईं जंघा पे और बायां पैर दाईं तरफ. Long and deep breaths in and out. And inhale to the center. Exhale, relax your arms and turn your body to the right side. दाईं तरफ रख लें अपने शरीर को अब. Your left foot is completely in. Now inhale, arms up. And exhale, stay in the asana. And look up. ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे. You can also slightly bend back if you're comfortable. अगर आप comfortable हैं, पीछे की तरफ थोड़ा सा bend कर सकते हैं. And come to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. Now on the left side. बाईं तरफ अपनी चेयर को अच्छे से comfortably रख लें. Left foot 90 degrees. Your right foot is slightly in. Body is facing front. And with a smile, take your arms up at shoulder level. And exhale, push down. Now one more breath in. And as you exhale, bend to the left from your waist. कमर से बाईं तरफ झुकेंगे और दाएं हाथ को बाईं तरफ ले जाएं. बायां हाथ बाईं जंघा पे. And keep looking straight at us. हमारी तरफ देखते रहें सीधा. And inhale to the center. Exhale, relax your arms. Now turn your body to the left. बाईं तरफ कर ले अपने शरीर को. And inhale, take your arms up. And exhale, if you're comfortable, bend back a little bit. अगर आपको ठीक लग रहा है, थोड़ा पीछे bend कर सकते हैं. This is also a variation of Veerbhadrasana. And come to the center as you inhale. Exhale, relax your arms. And slowly come up. You want, you can relax your legs a little bit. Now let's get ready for Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Hold the chair nice and firm. Chair को अच्छी तरीके से पकड़ लें. Place your right foot on the chair and your left foot is behind. Ensure you're comfortable when you are placing your right foot on the chair. Adjust if you want to adjust a little bit. अच्छे से adjust करके खड़े हो जाएं. Now inhale, look up, push your buttocks down and give yourself a nice stretch. Look up. हिप्स को नीचे पुश करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे. And come back to the center. Go on the right heel and straighten your right leg. Push your chest towards your right thigh. दाईं एड़ी पे आ जाएं. दाएं पैर को सीधा कर लें और छाती को जंघा की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. And feel a nice stretch in your right hamstring. And come to the center. And relax your right leg. दाएं पैर को विश्राम दें. Now left foot on the chair and the right foot is behind. दायां पैर ऊपर है और बायां पैर पीछे. Inhale, look up. Push the chest down as you exhale. And give yourself a nice stretch. Inhale to the center. Exhale. Straighten the left leg and push your chest towards the left thigh. छाती को बाएं जंघा की तरफ पुश करें. If you want, you can also bend your left leg a little bit. आप चाहें तो बाएं पैर को थोड़ा बेंड करके भी रख सकते हैं. And slowly come back to the center. And now relax your left leg. And relax both the legs. Now let's sit down on the chair again. Now we've done the standing asanas, we'll do the sitting asanas now. Hold the chair from the sides. Push your shoulders back, कंधों को थोड़ा पीछे ले जाएं. Now inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend back and look up. And push your chest outwards and upwards. सांस छोड़ते हुए पीछे की तरफ झुकेंगे और छाती को आगे की तरफ पुश करें. Ushtrasana, the camel pose. And inhale, come to the center. Exhale, relax. कंधों को विश्राम दे थोड़ा सा. And now we'll do the one-legged forward bend. जानु शीर्षासन करेंगे चेयर पे बैठ के. So bend your right leg first. Hold the big toe of your right foot with the right hand or the left hand, whatever is comfortable for you. दाएं पैर के अंगूठे को पकड़ ले, दाएं या बाएं हाथ से. And straighten your right leg. Those who want, they can also bend the leg a little bit. See how you can stretch yourself in different ways, even sitting on the chair. आप चेयर पे बैठ के भी कैसे अपने पूरे शरीर को स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं, देखिए. And relax. Now left leg. And see if you can straighten your back a little bit. रीढ़ की हड्डी को थोड़ा सीधा कर सकते हैं. And relax. Now hold the chair again. Nice and firm. Come to the front of your chair a little bit. Now lift your legs. Your legs are together right now. Now lift your legs up in the Naukasana, in the boat pose. Those who are comfortable, they can stretch the legs a little bit. अगर आप comfortable हैं तो पैरों को थोड़ा stretch भी कर सकते हैं सीधा. See, don't let your boat sink. अपनी नाव को डूबने नहीं देंगे. अच्छे से रखेंगे ऊपर. And relax. Now, keep the feet a little slightly away from each other. पैरों को साइड कर लें थोड़ा सा. मैं आपको फ्रंट व्यू दिखा देती हूँ. I'll show you the front view. Now bend your right leg. Right foot is on the left thigh. Inhale and lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, push forward from the base of your spine. Raj Kapotasana. कमर से आगे की तरफ झुकेंगे. And feel that nice stretch in the hip region. And breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax your right leg. Now bend your left leg. Left foot on the right thigh. Inhale one more time, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend forward. If you want, you can also hold the chair for support. चेयर को पकड़ सकते हैं सपोर्ट के लिए अगर चाहें तो. हाथों को नीचे रख दें. Those who are comfortable, they can place the palms on the floor also. And inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Relax both the legs and increase the distance between your feet. पैरों को थोड़ा दूर दूर कर लें. Now breathe in, and as you breathe out, bend forward again. Place your palms on the mat in front of you. हथेलियां जमीन पर हैं. Now inhale, lift your right arm up. Stretch yourself nicely. Open up your right shoulder. दाएं हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे और दाएं कंधे को अच्छे से खोलेंगे. And exhale, come down. Inhale, left arm up. बायां हाथ ऊपर. And exhale, bring the left arm down. And slowly come up. Now one more breath in. And as you breathe out, twist to the right. दाईं तरफ twist करेंगे. You can hold the chair for support with your right arm. And your left palm is on the outside of your right leg. And keep looking over your right shoulder. Inhale to the center and exhale to the left. बाईं तरफ. And come back to the center. Now place your left palm on the outside of your right leg and stretch your right arm up again. One more variation of the sitting twist. दाईं तरफ twist करेंगे. और अब धीरे धीरे कमर से बाईं तरफ झुक जाएंगे. Now from your waist, bend to the right. So you're twisting also and there's a side bend as well. ट्विस्ट भी कर रहे हैं शरीर को और बेंड भी कर रहे हैं. Come to the center, relax your arms and on the left side, बाईं तरफ. There's a nice stretch on the left side of your body. शरीर के बाईं तरफ एक अच्छे स्ट्रेच को महसूस करें. And come back to the center and exhale, relax. विश्राम करें. कंधों को विश्राम दे सकते हैं थोड़ा. And now let's get ready for the downward dog. अधोमुख श्वानासन के लिए तैयार हो जाएं. Keep your chair in front. Hold the chair. And now start moving your feet back. पैर को धीरे धीरे पीछे लेके जाएंगे जितना हो सकता है उतना. You take your feet as back as you can. Now gently bend your legs at the knees and push your chest towards the thighs. पैरों को थोड़ा bend कर लें और अपनी छाती को घुटनों की तरफ, छाती की तरफ, जंघा की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. And pull your navel slightly in. नाभि अंदर की तरफ. And now like a happy puppy, start moving your buttocks from the right to left, left to right. दाएं और बाएं अपने हिप्स को लेके जाएंगे. And relax. Slowly come up. Walk towards the chair. Chair के पास में आ जाएं. And now let's lie down on the back. So first you lie down on the side. पहले side में थोड़ा लेटेंगे. and take your buttocks to the chair. Your buttocks are touching the chair. आपके buttocks जो हैं chair को छू रहे हैं. And place your legs on the chair. आपके पैर chair के ऊपर हैं. Hold the chair nicely. Chair को पकड़ ले. Now inhale and lift your buttocks up and place your feet onto the chair. चेयर को पकड़ते हुए अपने हिप्स को ऊपर उठा लें. द ब्रिज पोज, सेतु बंधासन. And slowly as you exhale, bring the buttocks down. Hips को नीचे ले आए. Keep holding the chair and now straighten your legs as you inhale. पैरों को सीधा कर लो. You can support your legs with the chair. पैरों को support कर सकते हैं chair के साथ. विपरीत करनी is a very good inversion. Now pull the feet towards you here and exhale, push the feet away from you. पैरों को अपनी तरफ और सीलिंग की तरफ पुश करें. And relax. Bring the legs down. Your legs are on the chair. And today we are going to rest with the legs on the chair. आज हम इसी तरह लेट के विश्राम करेंगे. Relax your hands. Your hands are close to the body. Your palms are facing up. And your eyes are closed. आंखें बंद करके लेटे रहेंगे कुछ देर. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. And breathe out completely. Now become aware of your legs. पैरों के प्रति सजग हो जाएंगे. And let go. Relax. Become aware of the navel region, the chest region, नाभि और छाती की तरफ ध्यान लेके जाएं. And let go. Relax. Now become aware of your arms. हाथों की तरफ ध्यान लेके जाएं. And let go. Relax. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, take your attention to the neck and throat region. The facial region. चेहरे पे, गले गर्दन पे ध्यान लेके जाएं. The forehead. Top of the head. माथे पे, सर की चोटी पे. And let go. Relax. Now take your attention to the entire body. And let go. Relax. And now, slowly start moving your feet, your arms and the head. And turn to the right side. You can bring your legs down. दाईं तरफ करवट लेके लेटे रहें कुछ देर. And you may slowly sit up. उठ के बैठ जाएं. And slowly you may open your eyes. Now we'll do Vyana Mudra. For this, join the tips of both the thumbs with the tips of the first two fingers. पहली दो उंगलियों के साथ अंगूठों को जोड़ लें. Keep the rest of the two fingers open. बाकी की दो उंगलियों को सीधा रखेंगे. Hands are on the knees. Your palms are facing up. हथेलियों को ऊपर की तरफ रखेंगे. This is a very good mudra for your health. So we'll take long and deep breaths in and out while keeping the mudra. लंबी गहरी सांसें अंदर और बाहर करेंगे. आंखें बंद. And continue. चालू रखें. Long and deep breaths in and out. And you may relax. हथेलियों को खोल दें. And let's get ready for a short meditation. Keep a gentle smile on your face. And take a breath in. And breathe out. One more long deep breath in. And breathe out completely. And observe your breath. अपनी सांस की तरफ ध्यान दें. As the breath relaxes, the mind begins to calm down. जैसे जैसे सांस नियमित होती है, मन शांत होते जाता है. Now observe your thoughts. विचारों की तरफ ध्यान लेके जाएं. With all the thoughts, the mind is still coming to the present moment. सब विचारों के बावजूद आपका मन वर्तमान क्षण में आ रहा है. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take a breath in and breathe out. And slowly and gradually, with a nice smile on your face, you may open your eyes. आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How was it? Write down in the comment section. How are you feeling in the body? How are you feeling in the mind? See how sitting on the chair also you can stretch yourself. चेयर पे बैठ के भी इतना अच्छा अपने शरीर को आपने आज स्ट्रेच किया. तो इसी तरीके से अपना कमिटमेंट बनाए रखिए. आपने अभी तक बहुत अच्छा किया है. इसी संकल्प के साथ आप आगे बढ़िए. सिर्फ 6 दिन और बचे हैं. आप रोज आइए. ये संकल्प आपने लिया है अपने खुद के